In macOS Mojave, one simple shortcut brings up all the controls you need to take screenshots and record your screen. Let's take a look. To bring up the Screenshot and Screen Recording menu, press Command-Shift-5. From here, you'll see buttons to take screenshots, record video, and set advanced options. You'll find the controls for taking a screenshot on the left side of the toolbar. To learn about recording your screen in macOS Mojave, check out the link in the description below. First, let's take a screenshot of the entire screen. Click the Capture Entire Screen button on the left, and then click anywhere on the screen, or press Return. If you want to quickly mark up or share your screenshot, it's easy. When you take one, it appears as a thumbnail in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you leave it there, it will automatically save to your desktop by default. Or you can click it to make edits in Markup. Here you can crop the screenshot, add a magnifying glass, or jot down a note. When you're done, click Done to save it, or click the share icon to share it right away without having to save a copy. Just select how you want to share it, follow any on-screen instructions, and send it. Now let's take a screenshot of just a window, and this time we're going to choose where to save it. Press Command-Shift-5 again, and then click Options. Here you'll find other useful settings, like Show Mouse Pointer and Remember Last Selection, which is helpful if you're taking multiple screenshots of a web page. Click one of the options at the top to choose where you want your screenshot to save to. Let's choose Documents. Now click the Capture Selected Window button. Move the camera over the window you want to capture, and click your trackpad or mouse to take the screenshot. When you see it in the bottom corner, just swipe it away to save it in the place you chose. Alright, now let's do something a little more precise. If you want to take a screenshot of a specific part of your screen, press Command-Shift-5 to bring up the Screenshot menu again. Click the Capture Selected Portion button on the right, and a selection window will appear on your screen. Now move the window over to where you want to take the screenshot. Then, click and drag the corners and edges to adjust the capture area, like this. If you want to cancel a screenshot, click the X in the Screenshot menu, or press the Escape key. When your selected area is ready, click the Capture button on the right, or press the Return key. And that's how you take screenshots of all kinds in macOS Mojave. For more helpful tips like this, subscribe to the